do you go when you don't belong?
It's pretty damn cool.
What do you say when there ain't no one? Who do you pray to when your faith is gone? I'm on a highway running straight into the black. Oh, so gonna burn right through the rights and wrongs, the ashes too, of the past that lives in my rear view. I'm on a highway back to you. When you don't feel at home in your own skin, when God alone knows where your soul has been.
Yo, what's going on, crew? So I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video, and it was awesome as usual getting out there. But I'm going in and hit y'all with this week's quote and get out of here. Don't give up. Someone needs who you are becoming after you go through this. Let's get it. You.